Hello, Kev from dataSights in here, and in this video we're going to talk about the data alert service. Now, obviously you don't want to be bombarded with emails and data all the time, so it's best to create some sort of data alert around actionable items or exception-based reporting. So whether that's maybe a list of people that haven't done their timesheets for the week, or on Fridays maybe sending, whoever's responsible for accounts payable in your business, a list of debtors with, outstanding invoices to be paid over 30 days or something, but something along those lines. But with that little bit of info aside, what we've created is a simple way to give something a simple way to send a Excel spreadsheet attached to an email to a certain sublist from a view, and I'll explain what that means now. So we can call this the Friday Chase accounts receivable notification or something like that. You can send this to obviously a list of emails. That wasn't a particularly good example because I pushed it too soon, so just push comma or something and you can send it to multiples. And then we get onto the view side. So we're not going to allow people to send say a table of data. We will ask that you create a view or get us to create a view, which you can use with AI Data Query or one of our SQL templates, or get in touch, so that you're sending just the information that is actionable and not too much information. Otherwise you'll clog up your inbox, the email won't be sent, all those wonderful things. And from here, quite simply, you can go and select when you want this to be sent. So let's make sure that this is in our inbox on Friday mornings, nice and early, so that it is actionable as we log on every Friday and do that important thing. So from here, you can of course go in and edit anything about it. You can, if you want, go and pause it if you don't want to run it for a while but still want it in the background there, or you can go and trigger it right away. I'll just pause. And here you can see in our inbox is the email, and quite simply the data attached as an Excel spreadsheet. All right, hope that makes perfect sense. And as always, any questions anytime, just let us know. Thanks, cheers, bye.